Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today we are working on a 2022 Toyota Supra with the B58 inline 6 engine. Today we're going to be doing the spark plugs on it. So obviously I took the engine cover off. Here's there's obviously 6 cylinders and 6 spark plugs that we're going to be doing. For this job, we're going to be using the original BMW spark plug. Here are the part numbers. Tools we're going to need for this job is a small pry tool, E8 Torx, an extension, quarter drive ratchet, 3/8 drive ratchet, spark plug socket. So this is 14 mil, 12 point. I got this from Amazon. This is magnetic as well, and obviously it has an extension built in, and it swivels as well. So pretty good purchase. And last but not the least, we need a torque wrench to torque down the spark plugs. So the torque spec for the spark plugs are 23 Newton meters. Says on the back of this box as well. So yeah, let's get started. So we're going to start off by unbolting the ignition coils. They're held on by 8 mil E8 bolts. So obviously 6 of them. There's a connector for the ignition coil. We're going to be using a small pry tool to undo those. And once we got these ignition coils out, it's just spark plug underneath. So overall, yeah, pretty simple job. I'll set you guys up in a bit and then show you how that goes. so we're all done with the spark plug replacement. Again, these are routine maintenances for the B58s at about 60,000 kilometer or 3 years. That's recommended from BMW. I don't know what the recommendation from Toyota is, but yeah, spark plugs are done. We're gonna go for a drive and then see how it comes out.